Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I have absolutely nothing on my face. That's why it's all pink and reddish and weird looking. I usually at least have my foundation or something on, but today is Halloween and I'm wearing, actually this is not a Halloween costume. This is one of my outfits that I wear on a regular basis, but I have mohawked my hair and alright, so I know that this video is going to go up much later than Halloween. That's fine. I'm not doing it as a tutorial for you or anything like that. I'm just having fun because today is one of my favorite days of the year. So you'll probably see this, probably in January or something, by the time I can get it edited and get it loaded. So the reason I have absolutely nothing on my face yet is because I'm going to do some prosthetics. In my outfit, you see that I have a lot of safety pins, and so I have some safety pins here. I might make that a separate video, but my scar that I have on my arm from cancer surgery, that's what they did when they tried to reconstruct the roof of my mouth. I'm thinking that I'm going to make this an open wound with one of these safety pins looking like they're holding it together. So that's going to be cool. But first I do want to get my face look down, and I have some really, I went looking through all of my stuff that I had packed away, and I realized that I have so many things that I haven't used yet. So, I mean, here's my Spirit Gum and Spirit Gum Remover. I have these eyelashes. I don't think I want to wear them. I have Mayron liquid latex in skin color that is my match perfectly. So that's awesome. I've got lots of spoolies in case I need them. This one I'm really interested in. It's the Rigid Colonial, and it makes scars. And I'm going to try to see about maybe scarring my face up and looking real rough. I'm not sure. I do want to wear these lashes. They are long, they're red and glittery. So I'm thinking I'm going for kind of a glam and gore look. I have other things here that I didn't even know I had. More Spirit Gum Remover, fake blood that I haven't even opened up yet. That's also the Mayron Stage Blood. Definitely going to use it. I've got quite a few of the little Fantasy Maker eyeshadows, and I have the Mayron Bruise makeup, cream makeup, you know. Let's see, what else do I have? Other things, you know, that I thought might go good for Halloween look. I've got a lot of stuff here that I didn't even know I had. I didn't even know I had a whole brow palette here. It's been packed away for probably several years. I have demon horns. I did use these, so these are some left over from last year. That is a black and a red, like grease paint. Oh, I'm really excited for this. I'm going to use this. I bought this a year or two ago off of Etsy, and it is supposed to end up looking just like a scar or a burn when you put it on your face. And it's still been sitting here in the package, and I've never even tried to use it, so I definitely want to use it. I have more fresh latex. I will not need to open it because I have some already open. So it looks like what I did at one point was shop, and then forget I shopped and then shopped again. Hadn't even opened this. More Spirit Gum Remover and adhesive for applying special effects. I really actually do like that look, but I'm not wanting to put a ton of, you know, grease paint on my face because I'm going to be wearing this all day, and I want it to stay looking more like a makeup look. I have, apparently that one is opened. I have these two scar things, may or may not use, we'll see. I think I can create a more realistic scar with the latex and some other things, so we'll see about that. Here's some devil horns that I did use before. I made my Lord look from the show from the 90s, Angel, the spin-off of Bucky. Yeah, that's what I used those before. That is on my channel from, I guess, last year, Halloween. I have an eye patch in case I want to be a pirate. There we go, there's a little trypophobia thing. I don't know where I could do it. I would do it where I had my previous scar, but, I mean, I've got a dragon tattoo now on that arm, so I don't know. Maybe I'll do it here, and then have the safety pin thing going up there. That's probably what I'll do with that one. A few other random necklaces and jewelry. Yeah, I am so excited. I want to go ahead and get started on my face, and I have no idea what I want to do with it. Not yet, anyway. But I do know that I want this, and I'm going to put it on my cheek. So I'm going to have to go ahead and adhere my prosthetic before I can even begin to put makeup on, because I need it to stick. Oh, I forgot I had this one too. I have an eyeball. I want to use this. Definitely want to use that. Alright, so here is my receipt from when I bought that. I bought it in April of 2019. No, I bought it in March. It shipped in April. And the eye was $23.08, and the pentagram was $13.95, and the shipping $5.13, for a total of $42.16 for my prosthetics. I'm hoping that these are meant to be worn more than once. I know that the, so these are definitely a lot more of a higher end prosthetic. They're handmade by someone on Etsy. This is not something that I bought from Spirit Halloween or anything. I know that this circle part here is meant to be cut off, and then you're meant to lay that down on your skin. One thing I don't have that I probably need is like to lay it down with what's the product I'm thinking of? Shoot. Alright, I just very, very carefully put that edge off of from around both of the prosthetics. And I'm going to put the eyeball on first because it just seems like it is probably the more sturdy out of the two items. So I'm just going to put that spirit gum on my forehead so the prosthetic is so thin and fine, those edges feel over and stuck to each other. Alright. I'm going to put the spirit gum on the back of this and then put it on my face. And it's okay to me that these are not laying down perfectly. If I had the... What is the name of it? Shoot. Like the fingernail polish remover stuff, you know what I mean? Then I would go around the edge of that and it would sort of dissolve it into my skin kind of perfectly. But I don't have that. I'm going to go over it with the liquid latex, and it's going to make sort of a scar-like texture. And I think that is on there good enough that I can leave it alone and it's not going to fall. Ooh, this other piece is so much more delicate. First, let me see where I want it. Yeah, I'm trying to get it to where it's not too close to my eye or too close to my mouth, because there's still going to need to be makeup and stuff going around those edges. Alright, that is the applying of the prosthetics part 1. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here. This is going to take a while to dry before I can start doing anything else to it. So yeah, I'm going to end up having to make this video a series, I think. Alright, that's a good start.